Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to start a clan war on Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So to start a war you need to be either a leader or a co-leader. Members cannot start clan wars. As you can see, we just had a horrible defeat in our last war. Now hit your start war button, and you get to the screen here. So as a leader or a co-leader you can let in people or out people. You can either select 15 or 20 members to start a clan war. After selecting your team members, click on start war button. So this is how you start a clan war. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.